game was played with soccer ball and 2 beach basketball.
Oh, I wrote it was played all over the United States because that's like the main.
Yeah.
That's like the main. Okay, so the first game to be played.
Dr. James
Was in school.
Our topic is
Dr. James made a game and made a game. Made a game.
Do you think it's
Meeting.
Dr. James or do you think it's basketball? Basketball. Why do you think basketball?
And something talking about basketball. He talking about it because it was creation. So like the thing that.
Okay, so why do you think it's Dr. James?
He would like to read them. I think of like
1936.
yeah.
The other one makes sense from 1891 to 1893 and then 1836.
Okay. 3 down, 4 now.
So now it's just going to be 3. Basketball was introduced at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin. Today, basketball is one of the world's most popular sports. So let's highlight 1936.
Basketball.
Basketball. Yeah, Berlin.
Basketball.
World's most popular sports. So we can just
Basketball was one of
basketball became one of the most world's popular sports.
Yeah. topic.
Oh, the topic is basketball.
Either James.
It talks more about basketball than James.
So
Dr. James.
topic is basketball.
Topic is, I would say sequence.
Yeah, because
Sometimes you may have to read the first 2 paragraphs to figure out what the topic is, right?
the corrector.
And also you have to use that basketball.
Wait, what are my
One.
We have to write one. Sequence because
It has dates and order.
and this is sequence. Yeah, sequence.
Basket. What's a peach basket? Oh, nice. So this is what a peach basket is.
Thank you so much.
So when basketball was first invented, the first game was played with a soccer ball and then with 2 peach baskets. So obviously they had to put a hole in the bottom to make it go through. This was the first thing that they used as a net. With a soccer ball and a peach basket. Uh-huh. Have you ever seen that before? That's pretty creative, right? And now they use that's right. Exactly. Is everyone done reading and highlighting? Paragraph?
Okay, now read this next paragraph. Put yourself push the ball on the court and start the offense. Basketball. Let's highlight the point guard, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Responsibility. Oh, and maybe we should highlight what they do. Like The responsibility is to push the ball up the court and start the offense. They're like that's like their first priority.
Topic basketball.
Again,
Circle population and I really think we should circle. No, it's not. Yes, it is. If we're going to agree.
okay. Now what should we do?
What's for basketball?
Basketball?
Yeah,
We
basketball.
have to highlight that.
Oh, it's also in
What's the topic?
Wow. Every person on the team has a specific responsibility. Every person on the team,
the shortest player on the team. His or her
Good, it's basketball. That's for our topic. That's why sometimes we have to read 2 paragraphs to find out our topic, and that's okay. If you're unsure, we have to just.
shooting guard is the shooting guard is normally the best player at making shots further away from the basket.
Let's say.
So now the shooting guard.
At the beginning.
You can see it like right there.
Shooting guard.
Want to check in, let everyone know that I'm hearing some really great conversations going on, and everyone's staying on task and doing a great job. So keep it up. Nice job so far.
Thank you.
You're highlighting. After 2 years, basketball will go great.
They are
Okay. Yeah. What would you like to add? This time.
They are expected to be able to shoot. They don't know how to shoot. They're off the team.
So like we could just like do the forward players either shoot the ball from
The two forward players are expected to be able to shoot.
they are expected to shoot one basket a 5-player team. Specific
The shortest power forward is like kind of almost as a first shot as center. Small forward.
the Benson.
I would circle the first game, because that's
So power forward. So like you make a point.
It's similar to
Hold it. Basketball.
problem.
We put for tax card description. Oh yeah, description.
best player in a basketball.
What else?
What's the prediction? What do you think?
Highlight best describes how the article is organized.
So
The reason that soccer was played inside, it was not talking about soccer.
not talking about soccer.
The different problems that occurred when trying to play sports in the cold. It's not problem because it said organ. It says
That was like the
organized.
last one.
It said it's because in the question it said organized. The events that occurred in the order that contribute to discovery of basketball. Yeah. The effects that basketball had schools. No, it's not that. It's C. And the foods over here. Task part 1. Right here where it said in 1881 students at school in Massachusetts, and then over here by 1883, 2 years after the first game was played, basketball was getting in popularity in other countries, and then at the 1996 Olympics in Berlin. Basketball was introduced at 1996 Olympics in Berlin. So that's 3 pieces of evidence.
Okay. Now we need to fill out this. So since it's like dates, we should put the dates. So like
So 1891,
1891,
1891, yeah.
1893, I think, and 1936.
1936.
So
In 1881, that's when
would do paragraph 2 and 3 contribute to the article. So let's say paragraph 2 to 4.
Yeah, so it would be 2, 3, and 4. And then contributing to the article.
it is
Okay, so let's go back to task part 2.
Dr. James realized
Let's read 2 and 4.
The shooting guard is normally the best player at making shots farther from the basket. The two forwards are usually a little taller than the guards. They are expected to be able to shoot the ball when they are close to the hoop and farther away. The final player, the center, is almost always the taller player on the team. He or she is expected to make the shots close to the basket and to grab rebounds. A successful basketball team is made up of 5 skilled players who can shoot their balls.
Okay, A is they describe specific positions. B, they explain the reason you enjoy watching basketball. C, they provide a solution to have too many players. D, they provide an effect of basketball on basketball.
Well, first A, for describes specific positions, it does have the word describe, and task part 2 is also description. And
So
describe and description is like kind of the like.
So let's just keep it as a name.
They never 2 to 3 never explained the reason they were doing basketball.
So it can't be this one.
See, they provide a solution to having. They never talked about like to having many players. It was talking about how like similar events. And they're
Onto A or B.
so they provide an effect of basketball and basketball. D is only talking about 4 because it was so. I feel like the best one would be A because it's using the word describe. And then we have to find we have to highlight 2, 3, and 4 of describe specific.